Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to create an alarm that can only be disabled by scanning QR code in Android smartphone or tablet. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as QR Alarm. On the first list you will see the application, just click on it. Now just click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. So now just click on this next step, click on let's go. Now just click on this plus icon on the right bottom corner. Now you can set the time, whichever time you want to set, and below you can see there are some options: repeating only once, or you want to make it repeat on the respective days, or you can set it custom days. Snooze time, so you can set your snooze time also depending upon your needs. Snooze durations, can set it, and you can change the ringtones also depending upon your needs. Which ringtone you want, you can just play it also to listen it. So let me select this alarm clock, and you can enable the vibration. So right now I will disable it, and you can see here use QR or barcode, so you can scan your own code also if you want to scan. Open code link, alarm level, get wake up. So here are tons more options which you can check out by yourself. So let me set the time and click on this tick mark. Now enable the permissions. So now you can see here the alarm has started. Now let us click on the stop. Now the camera has been turned on. Now let me bring a QR code. So you can see here, as soon as I scan the QR code, the alarm gets stopped. So by using this application named as QR Alarm, you can easily create an alarm that can only be disabled by scanning QR code in Android smartphone or tablet very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.